is the flag of Amsterdam. All of those crosses, it symbols one thing. One was the flood, you know, we had floods. Getting the water from the North Sea, it invaded, you know, we have dikes, we have sludges, everything is to protect our country for not flooding. But we had floods. So one is the cross is the flood, one is from the cholera, the pest, and one is the pest, the cholera, and the fire. So this is the flag from Amsterdam. So let me tell you something. I was telling you about the Inquisition, right? When we became Protestant. This area, we had also a lot of Jewish immigrants. Why? They were hiding, they were getting away from Portugal and Spain, and also from the east of Europe, of the Inquisition in their countries. So Holland, we accepted all people because in our constitution, it also says, the first thing in our constitution is, you be a free man. You are free to say whatever you want to be, whatever you want to say, and having a religion, whatever you like. So a lot of people came to Holland, you know. It was one way our constitution, it was also our interest, right? Because the Jewish people, they had good skills, they had a lot of money, salute. So I was telling you this because this area was bombed in the Second War by the Germans. Because there were a lot of Jewish we had 130,000 Jewish people. So almost everybody was taken.
All the Jews also went to India. They're still there.
Okay, that's of course.
It's around maybe 13 to 14 million.
Yes, yeah.
Because our population is 1.4 billion.
Yeah.
They just carry 1-2% still there.
So this area was bombed.
Oh God.
Yes. So this is new. You know, Amsterdam is a historical city. New, we have the Rotterdam, because we are, you know, a controversial thing of us. We are the capital of the Netherlands, but our government is in The Hague. Our king is in The Hague. And here is for investments. We're the first stock market in the whole world, and we keep it like that. We have a lot of investments from abroad. And, well, that's Amsterdam, and for tourism. That's why I say, you come to relax, you're in the wrong place. This is for action, fun, festivals, and right here, you're in the right place. Sorry?
I like that too.
Oh yes, that's why I cannot get you. Go back to Brussels. Brussels is beautiful. I don't say it's beautiful, but some you never see. Some people, I'm not that young, but I feel young, you know.
Yeah?
Because yes, of course, if you are surrounded by a lot of nice things, it keeps you young.